Hello YouTube, Jason here, aka Crazy J, with a deck tech. This deck is not my idea. I did not design this deck. Desolator Magic designed this. There are cards in here that are not in his because they are placeholders. When we get to them, I will explain what they are placeholders for. Let's start off creatures. We run four Contraband Kingpin, basically if any artifact anywhere comes into play from any source, he lets me scry. Then we run four Direfleet Hoarders. If he dies, he brings a treasure token. I nicknamed this deck Pure Evil. You'll see why. Then we run three Ruthless Knave because I can sacrifice a creature and create a treasure token. Okay. Then we run, if it can get into the late game, we run two Deadeye Plunderers. For if it's late game, he can become really big if it goes unchecked. Then we have Desecration Demon and Plunderous Pirates. These are actually placeholders for two more Cultivator Caravans. You'll see what they are in a minute. Now, let's get into, I guess, Planeswalkers in the deck. There's only two. Two, Tezzeret the Schemers. This guy is good. He's in Desolator's deck. Alright, let's get into the next part. Okay. Cultivator Caravan. Basically, it's an artifact that I can tap and 1 minute any kind of a mana pool, or I can crew if I can crew it. I need four of them. Okay. Then you need to have Spell Swindle, just a counter spell. If you have a lot of treasures, you can set treasures to help you, or tap your Cultivator Caravans. If you make copies of it with a certain card, I'll show you in a minute. Then we go into Contract Killing. Yeah, it's heavy price, but it brings treasure tokens afterwards. Basically, yeah, it creates two treasure tokens. And there's two of those. Then we run, and this is a placeholder, two Torment of Scarabs. It's a smaller Torment of Hellfire. Each upkeep, they have to lose 3 life or sacrifice a non-permanent, non-land permanent, or discard a card. Each upkeep. Placeholders for 2 more copies of Torment of Hellfire. X. Basically, do this thing X times. Either they lose 3 life, discard a card, or just sacrifice a non-land permanent. That's one of the winning, not really a win con, but it'll help you. Then you got 2 Revel in Riches, which, if a creature my opponent controls dies, I get a treasure token. If I get 10 treasures, I instantly win. That's what that is. There's 2 of those. Then we got 3 mechanized productions. This is what helps me. It can help me copy my Cultivator's Caravans. But see, it's 8 artifacts any one name. It doesn't have to be the one that's copied. So if I have 8 treasure tokens, I instantly win from Mechanized. So, yeah. Then we got some more removal. 4 Battle at the Bridge. Into land. 4 Dimir Guild Gates are in there as placeholders for 4 Drowned Catacombs. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Swamp. There's 24 lands in this deck. That's also in his. Then you run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 islands. Then you run 2 Memory of Genius, which basically I can pay 5 mana, tap it, sacrifice it, and draw 2 cards. It's basically in case of an emergency type thing. Anyway, that's the deck tech. I will link Desolator's video under mine in my description to give him credit, because he created a deck. I just made it for fun. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all next time. Crazy J out.